If you've got some nagging discomfort through your wrists, then here are a few yoga tips that may help. Wrist pain is one of those things that slowly starts to creep into our bodies, which can make common yoga poses really start to feel like a chore. However, there are some gentle ways to start feeling relief. So let's walk through a few of my favorite ways to help alleviate some of that wrist tension so you can start to find some relief. For wrist pain, do this first. If your wrists have been bothering you, then there's something I'd actually like you to do first before diving into your wrists. Our instinct is to dive right into moving our wrists around and stretching and pulling on them to help find some relief. However, first, it's best to do things like stretch out your arms in general, like your deltoids here. Maybe you bring your arm up overhead and stretch out through your triceps, because we want to actually give our whole arms the best shot at releasing and letting go. Surrounding areas are super important because when we actually do end up loosening up our wrists, we don't want neighboring muscle areas and groups to start pulling on this and bringing it right back to where it was before we started. Release tight forearms. If your forearms are tight, then it's really not going to help with your wrist pain. And this is an area where a lot of people carry a lot of tension. A nice way to release your forearms is to come into a tabletop position. And normally this might cause you some discomfort here by having your wrists pressing down onto the mat. However, spin your hands around as far back as is comfortable, and you don't even need to bring your palms all the way down to the mat. You can actually lean back a little bit so you're not putting as much pressure into those hands and wrists. Spread your fingertips nice and wide and start to stretch out through your palms and through your forearms here. It's nice because you can kind of gauge how much pressure you start to put into your hands and your wrists. And when you find a good spot that feels nice, just hold and breathe for at least 90 seconds. I feel that tight forearms are one of the most overlooked culprits when it comes to helping release your wrist pain. So making sure you have loose forearms is going to go a long way. And for a full class where we do a deep dive into helping to release that wrist pain, simply click on the card here above. It's roughly a 25-minute class and it goes through all the tips in this video and a lot more to help release and loosen through your wrists. But now let's move on to the third part. I've saved one of the best tips for last. Wrist pain reset. If you have nagging wrist pain, especially when you try to bring your palms together and raise your elbows up like this, then it might be one of these little bones here in your wrist that is the main issue. If you think one of the bones is maybe out of alignment, then going to a chiropractor is a wonderful thing to do first to help get things right in the best position. However, we can also create a little bit of traction through our wrist to help give these bones a little bit of space and maybe the opportunity to reset. Coming into a wide-legged forward fold where you just extend one of your legs out, you will actually take your palm, place it on the mat, palm down, and then pinch it underneath your calf here. This next step is very important. Extremely, extremely gently, you want to pull away from your wrist here. So this motion of pulling away, and I am exaggerating a lot, is going to help to create a little space there through your wrist joint. You don't want to yank, you don't want to force anything. Just wait till you find a little bit of space there through your wrist and hold for a while. Naturally, you'll switch sides and do the other side here. But that's the biggest tip I can give you, is to really do this gently just to create a little bit of space through your wrist joints. So if your wrists just feel jammed up, then this is a nice approach. But again, do this very, very gently because you don't want to pull or yank on anything. You just want to encourage a little bit of space there through that wrist joint. Again, for that full class where we do a deep dive into helping release and loosen your wrists, go ahead and click on the video here on the screen, and I'll see you in a class soon.